How to use WhatsApp Wave. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up WhatsApp in your first device. Now tap on three dots. Now tap on link devices. Now tap on link a device. Now enter your password. Now tap on OK. Then open up your web browser in your second device. Now tap on three dots. Now enable desktop site. Now tap on the search bar and type WhatsApp Web. Now click on search. Now open up the first website. Now wait for some time. Now take your first phone and place the camera on the QR below. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.